Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet. Welcome if you're new, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. So I think I'm so behind on all the tags, literally. I think I have like 4 tags to catch up on. So if you're starting to see tags, well, I'm trying to catch up. So yeah, but this one is actually tagged by, I was tagged by 2 of my favorite people. It is the tag called Luxury Items I Will Not Buy No Matter the Hype. And I was tagged by 2 of my favorite girls, Carol Summer and Angelique Eva. I believe that's who I was tagged by. If I was tagged by more, I'll put your guys' names here. I'm sorry guys. I was just so behind on tags, so my fault. But yeah, Carol Summers, she tagged me. You guys know that's my YouTube best friend. Angelique Eva, that girl, her and I are so close, and I adore her style, and we talk all the time too. And I'm guessing I like my European girls. So yeah, Carol's from Estonia and Angelique's from Germany. Alright guys, so this was actually a very fun tag, as they all are. However, I haven't watched too many of them, so I'm not sure if I'm like repeating hypes or trends or whatnot, but I will tell you the items that I think are hypes that I will never buy. Now I think I might be a little bit different because I will consider, I really like trendy items, and that's just kind of who I am. I think that style is something that you can play with and have fun with, and if it goes out of style, oh well. I do like classic items. I try to stay classic with certain items, but I do fall for trends, and I actually really like rocking trends. So mine's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna mention hypes that I will never buy, but I usually find alternatives for them, and if I really end up loving them, then I may consider buying them. The first item I will never buy because of the hype, I will never buy no matter the hype, is, can you guess? It would be the chunky sneakers. Now the first reason I wouldn't get the chunky sneakers from Balenciaga LV is, first off, you know me, I have a hard time spending a lot of money on shoes because I just feel like you walk on them, I'm pretty clumsy, so I scuff up my shoes a lot. And so that's the first reason. The second reason is I'm 5'2", I have short stumpy legs, so I think it looks a little awkward. I don't know. However, I think it's so cute. So I found an alternative that I actually really love. Now, I don't love it so much that I will buy it, because $1,000 something for chunky heels shoes that I know will go out of style. Do you remember our dads wearing it? Back in the days, I think we were like in the 80s, it was the 80s, 90s? Yeah, and you would see your dads. I think my dad still has like a pair. Anyways, my alternative that I found was only $25. And how am I gonna show you? Like this? Should that be my thumbnail? How do I make myself look cute that way? I don't think I can. I can't. Should I go like this? Ooh. Okay, anyways guys, this is probably not the best way to show you. So let me stand up and show you my chunky heel. Can we do it? My chunky heels that I'm currently wearing. I don't wear should I do the Captain Morgan? Okay, I'm having like way too much fun with this. Should I do like a yoga pose? Okay, I'm having way too much fun. I don't normally wear shoes. I actually just bought these a couple days ago, so I'm gonna take them off. Actually, let me show you really quickly what I looks like with the outfit. So, I am wearing my vintage Christian Dior blazer, some shorts, a little cami, and then I'm wearing these chunky shoes from Target. I love the color. They remind me of the new Balenciaga colors, and I really like it. And I don't think my feet look short and my legs look short and stumpy. So yes, so I will buy the chunky sneakers if it is alternative. This is the Target one. It is like a gray and pink and white. I haven't worn them outside, guys, and I definitely will keep them. They're only $25. I actually really like it a lot. I'm excited to style it with like some skirts and items. However, yeah, I'm never gonna buy those LV and Balenciaga ones for sure. The next item that I will not buy no matter the trend will be, I love the Balenciaga cardigan. I love the Balenciaga jacket with the Balenciaga in the back. However, I created my own jacket last year. It was a DIY logo jacket. Oh my gosh, how annoying. Ugh. They are cutting the grass, guys, outside. Okay, so I will never do the buy the Balenciaga cardigan or jacket. However, I did create my own. I made a whole DIY video on it. This was an old Topshop denim jacket that I was kind of bored of, and I put Tabby V. I have a whole video on it if you guys want to see how I styled that. Okay guys, I'm sorry, there's people cutting the grass outside, so that's just gonna be in the background. That sucks. Okay, so yeah, I love that trend so much, but I definitely will not buy it for sure. So let's change up. This is an oversized denim jacket. Can you guys see? Or can you not see? I don't know. Okay. I am going to insert a picture, that's for sure. Okay, so the reason I won't buy the Balenciaga cardigan and denim jacket is, again, the price is way too high, and personally I am clumsy, so like I will probably spill something on it or something's gonna snag or whatnot, and with the 3 kids it's just doesn't work for my lifestyle. Okay, third, I'm gonna go into something that's not probably will be a little bit controversial because I think a lot of people like it, and I actually used to have them, and they are the LV Neverfull and the Louis Vuitton Eva clutch and the LV, like, what was the other small one that's not the Eva? It's another classic one, and honestly I would never buy those again. I gave my Eva clutches to my mom, and then I sold one, and then I had 2 of them, and then I sold my Neverfull. And the reason why I will never buy them again is because honestly, like, I love them, they're great bags, but I can't stand seeing them everywhere. And that's a great thing because people really like them, and I know a lot of people have them, but personally I literally like see it everywhere. I see all the mommies with babies and I see it everywhere. And I think with fashion, yes, it's a great thing to have classics, but for me, I think I see it way too much, and who knows, I may get it because I actually am in the market for a tote, and I keep going back to the Neverfull. However, it's just way too saturated, and I do think it's an amazing bag, so I do want to find an alternative to it that's not so like everywhere. It's a great bag. I was looking into the Givenchy tote, I was looking into like the Chanel one, but I don't like cloth, so maybe an all leather, who knows, but let me know what your recommendations are. And then the Eva clutch, it was too long for me anyways, so sometimes I borrow it from my mom, but honestly, like I said, I just don't like to see it just everywhere, and that is a good thing, but just not for me at this current moment in my life. Okay, so number 4, the next item I would never buy because of the hype is the PVC items. They were really popular last year, the Chanel PVC bags, the now Fendi Defender cover in plastic, and to be honest, like, PVC costing that much is just mind-blowing. That I will never buy, like 150%. Well, and maybe if it was like on sale, like super sale. So you guys know, like, I love it so much that last year I bought this one. Hey, there's a Tide stick. See, I told you I'm clumsy. I have to bring a Tide stick everywhere. This is the yellow and green one that Atlee borrows and my daughter borrows. This is my favorite one. This is my pink and blue one. This is the one that's so popular that everybody like has, I think, from Amazon. It's in silver. And then lastly, this is my PVC backpack that I bought for Hawaii, and it's really, really cool. I as you can tell, I really do like the PVC trend. I even like the Hermes one. But like I said, I'm not going to spend that much money on plastic at this moment in my life. Okay, and then the last item. What is my last item? What? Oh, actually, my last item, I would definitely agree with Carol. Oh wait, I have two more. My last item I would agree with Carol is that I wouldn't buy any bag charms. They're too pricey for what they are. So I do find alternatives. I found like this really funny, this really cute, quirky like rainbow bunny that I love to put on my Fendi bags. I can't find it at the current moment because the cat and Atlee love it. So I'm going to insert a picture. At this current moment, they're just way too pricey, and I feel like for that price range, you could buy like a SLG, a wallet, or something else. And then lastly, this is number 6, sorry, I cheated, would be the, anything with sequin. Like right now, Fendi's coming out with the Fendi Baguette, like sequin bag, and I can rock many things. And I don't mind looking weird. I don't think that I can rock sequin, like those little like shiny sparklies. That's just, I just can't. And kudos to everyone that can. So I definitely wouldn't buy that, even though they're selling them and you see pictures of them all over IG. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for tagging me, Carol and Angelique. I apologize for the cutting of grass in the backyard. This is the only time I can film today, or in the front yard. And I will tag, I think everyone has done it, I'm not sure, but I will tag my girl Lizette Hartman, Divine Cruz, and also I will tag Lisa LB. I miss her. I miss your videos, girl. I would love to see what you did. Actually, I don't know if you have done this tag, but I do tag you. And then I also tag, oh, I think everyone else has done it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I apologize for the sound in the background again, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.